let's find these words on the table. Crosswords. Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. I'm going to look for it. Se is here. This way, no. This way, no. This way, I can see Sen Solo Ma Yi. Exactly, I got it. Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. Can you read that? Sen Salomai. Sen Salomai. Number 2. Arazazine. Arazazine. Okay, let's find it. Arazazine. Arazazine. I'm trying to. Is here, and no, not this one. Not this way. Not this way. No, not this way. No. Okay. Okay. Arazazine. I got it. Arazazine. Arazazine. Good. Second. Next one. Next one is menkarkar. 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 Let's find it. Menkarkar. Menkarkar. So me. Okay. Let me find me. I couldn't find it. Me. Oh, it's here. Me. No, wrong. So men. Yes, men. Menkarkar. I got it. Menkarkar. Number 3. Oh, great. Abel kaha. Okay, Abel kaha. Let's find it too. Abel kaha. Well, we got this no, this one. No. I'm trying to find is here. We used it. Oh, we got here. So let's try. No. B, na. No. So, no. Oh, yes. Abel kaha. Aha. Abel kaha. And next one is Bete Christian. Bete Christian. Scan bazi akhi? Bete Christian. Let's find it. Bete Christian. B. Oh, this is actually straight. Oh, we got it here. Right here. Bete Christian. Well, there is some mistake here. But that's supposed to be Bete Christian. I think I'm going to fix it. This one. B. Te K R S. Yes. Let's 68. Good job. So, well, our problem was, there was a missing alphabet. Bete Christian. We can see that. Bete K R S T Ya N. Exactly. Bete K R S T Ya N. Bete Christian. And then this one is Amanuel. 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 Let's find Amanuel too. Amanuel. Amanuel. Well, we have to find A. It goes this way sometimes. No. This is ananas. Aloka Amanuel. So I did find it. Is here. Is here. So avega no. Also no. Okay, let's try diagonalism. Yes, we got it. Ama nu e l. Ooh, look at it. Ama nu e l. Amanuel. Last one. Ananas. 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 I think I found it before, but I don't remember exactly where it was. Let's find it. Let's find There is A here. Yes, actually I found it now. Ananas. 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 Oh, we completed. We completed. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.